So, Malik, should we start with the interview?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the difference between find method and find index method?
Sir, find method returns a value which satisfies the condition, and find index returns the index of that value which satisfies the we set the which satisfy our condition.
Okay, so you told me find method, the it will bring the element which
Satisfy our
satisfies.
condition.
Okay.
Yes.
So filter method, what it does then?
Sir, find filter method returns all the values which satisfies our condition, whereas find only returns one value.
One value, which one value? Like last element?
uh, Find method that first element that satisfies our condition.
Okay, okay, okay. Suppose find index method. You try to find out the elements index from the array, but that element is not present.
It returns -1.
Minus one. And in find method, the element is not present, and you try to find out the element with the
It
particular.
returns false.
It returns false.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you give me an example of the element you are trying to find out, but it is not present and it should return false?
Okay, sir.
Yep, you can show me the false.
Oh, it undefined.
You told me false, right?
Yes, sir.
So, do you think you have written the code wrong, or the logic you told me was wrong?
Sir, logic was wrong. It
Oh,
returns undefined.
okay, fine. Can you tell me different ways to handle asynchronous operations?
Yes, sir. We use callback functions. We use promises. We use async await.
Okay, and which is best among the lot?
Async await, sir.
Why?
In async await, sir, like in callback, we get into hell, callback hell, which is called, and in promises we use dot then method, but in async await we use async functions, and to hold the promise result we use await keyword, so it not become a hell or loop or.
Okay, okay, fine. You can comment this out.
Okay, sir.
Write if else condition.
And what I write?
Write if else. Just write the syntax firstly. Okay. Now in if condition, you have to write console log of, not in condition, in scope. Write console log of I am Malik, and in else condition, write console log I am absent. In if condition, write string of 0. Tell me what will be the output and why.
Sir, I am Malik is the output because the non-empty string is treated as truthy value.
Okay, so 0,
Is a truthy value.
0 is a truthy value of, or
So
string of 0.
string of zero is a truthy value.
Okay, 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 fine. You can comment this out. Tell me what's the difference between null and undefined?
Sir, both are happen when the absence of values occur, but and null we explicitly initialize null, whereas undefined is absence of value or uninitialized variable.
Okay, okay. So write console log of null triple equals to undefined and copy the statement, copy the line. Yep. And with double equal to. Tell me what will be the output in both the case and why.
Sir, it will false, whereas it will true.
Why true?
Uh, Sir, I am exactly not remember, but I seen somewhere this.
Okay, you just have seen, and that's why you.
Yes, sir. I know that because it's false, because the type is not equal to
Same,
un.
yes, but here null double equals to undefined. Why it is true? There must be some logic you have used, or like you just have seen it, and that's why you told me true.
Sir, I just seen it.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. You can comment this out. Basically, values both are same, okay, but
Okay,
their type is different. If you check null and undefined, they are not different.
yeah, okay,
Okay,
sir. Okay.
okay,
Okay.
fine. Write two strings in an array.
Two strings, sir.
Yes, write in first string write Muhammad, and in second string write um, Malik. Okay. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to check whether each and every character of the first string, all the
Yes.
letters should be there in second string. If it is present, it returns true. If it is not, then it returns false. You have to show me in both the case. Now here, if you will do the code, it should return false. But you have to show me with true as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you got it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, Malika, will you be able to do it?
I'm ARR two. Sorry, sir. Yeah,
Okay,
it's
fine. You can comment this out. Tell me, other than object literals, how we can create the objects?
like simple
Yeah, that's the object literals. Other than object literals,
new object
new
we
object.
can
Okay.
use.
Any
Yes,
other?
sir. No, sir.
Okay, fine.
I'm not unable to remind.
Okay,
There
fine.
are some ways, sir, but I'm unable to.
Okay, fine. Write an array with write an array with elements 1, 10, 100, 2, 20, 200. Yes. So what you have to do is you have to separate a single digit number in one array, two digit numbers in second array, and three digit numbers in third array. You got my
Yes,
point?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yep, you can go ahead with.
Yes, sir.
Malik, is this the proper way, do you think? Or
No, sir.
yeah, so okay, fine. You can comment this out.
Okay, sir.
Can you swap two numbers without using third variable?
Yes, sir.
Yep, go ahead.
We use destructuring.
Okay, okay, fine. You can comment this out. Okay, write an array with the numbers and characters. C and add D character. That's it. No need to write 4. Yep. Now what you have to do is you have to separate characters and separate numbers in different arrays.
We can use a map method.
What will be the logic there in map method?
Map create returns a new array.
It returns a new array, so you will modify each element.
No, sir, not modify.
So map. Okay, so okay, before going ahead with this, tell me there is an array, okay? And if you want to modify each and every element of an array, there is a inbuilt method, array inbuilt method. Which is that method?
Sir, it is map method also.
Right now you told me that, right? We it helps us to only iterate, right?
Yes, sir.
You told
It
me.
yes, sir. It modifies and also returns a new array.
Okay, fine. Now you can go ahead with this and separate numbers and characters in different arrays. Just before going ahead, Malik, I just
Yes.
want to ask you, like, is n of 2 will be?
Is an of two will be true?
Is n of 2 will be
No,
true?
no, not a number. Is an here no false?
Arisha?
He is not yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yep, now you can go.
Can I run, sir?
Yep, go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yep, you can come in this side. Create array of objects with the name and ID.
Uh,
Write another object. Write one more ID. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to return the objects with ID greater than 2. So output should be ID 3 name Salif.
okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me to access a character from a particular index. So which method is there?
Sir, we directly access. I
By
don't understand the question, sir.
access a character from a certain index from a string.
From a string. Okay, sir. Access a character. Sir, substring is a method, but character at, sir. At
Carrot.
method is also
Carrot or
used.
character at?
Sir, caret
Carrot.
and
Okay.
just at because uh, new ECMAScript launches at method also.
Okay. Tell me, there are different types of errors in JavaScript. Can you name some errors?
Error,
Yes.
sir. Uh, can you just little bit hint?
Suppose you write syntactically wrong. So what error you will receive?
No, sir. I'm not aware of that.
Okay, you know let var and const, right?
Yes, sir.
So suppose you access the value before initializing
Yes, sir.
let and const variables.
Yes, sir.
So what you receive?
It gives a error, sir.
Which error?
Uh, Sir, I am.
Reference error?
Yes, sir. Reference error and yeah, reference error.
So can you tell me other types of errors?
Reference error or undefined, uninitialized, null. So basically, I
Okay, fine, fine,
not,
fine, Malik. Tell me what is promise dot all method?
sir. When the all promises, when we want the answer of all conditions, we give all promises in an array, and it returns a array.
Have you used promise dot all method?
Yes, sir. I used.
Okay. There are multiple promises, right? In promise dot
Yes,
all.
yes, yes, sir.
So what will be the output of first promise and like suppose it will return one promise will return something, so it will give to which where it will transfer.
Sir, it runs only if all the promises resolve.
Okay. Okay, promise dot all method, it returns multiple promises, you mean to say,
Yes, sir.
or it returns a single
It
promise?
it returns multiple promises in an array.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Is we use when we
Promise
want
dot all
that.
have list of promises,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So from that it will return multiple promises or it will return a single promise.
Sir, it also returns single promise if we give only single promise to it. But if we give a list of promises, then it returns a list of promises in an array.
Okay, what is promise dot all settled method? Are you aware of it?
Yes, sir. Use when we want that all promises should be resolved.
Should be resolved. Suppose there are multiple input promises are there, right?
Yes, sir.
So if one of the promise gets rejects, okay,
Yes, sir.
it will go to next input promise or not
Yes, sir.
to
It will
complete.
go.
Okay. What is the use of promise dot any method?
If we want that the list we provide of to the promise dot any, one of the promise should be executed or resolved.
Okay. With the help of any method you are trying to think, or like you have used it?
I think, sir.
Okay,
I
I
not
got
used.
it. Okay. Okay, there are different types of scopes available.
Yes, sir.
So which are those scopes?
Block scope, function scope, global scope, local scope.
Okay. Tell me where let and cons. They are local scope.
Sir, where is a function scope and let and cons are block scope?
Okay. So where can't be a global scope.
Yes, sir.
Where
It
it can't be a global scope.
no, sir. No, no, no.
Hi.
It
Like
it
suppose
can.
if you write outside the function where variable,
Yes, sir.
so what scope it will have?
It is a global scope, sir.
So you told me right, it can't be a global scope.
No, sir. By
Okay.
mistake, I
Okay.
said
Okay.
this.
Okay. Fine. Can you tell me what is event delegation?
Yes, sir. We fire a event on parent div where we want some actions like increment, decrement. Like if we have uh, a div and which is have a three childrens, so
Hmm.
we not fire individual children event. We can simply fire a event on a parent div.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me the difference between event bubbling and event capturing?
Yes, sir. Sir, event bubbling, if we fire a event on children, so first event, first output we have we can get is the children, and then a parent also fires automatically. This is a bubbling phase, whereas a capturing phase is if we fire a parent div, then it also give output children div. It automatically fires a children div
In
event.
event bubbling.
In capturing, in bubbling, if we fire a event on children div, it also fires a event on parent div.
Okay, so it is opposite.
Yes sir, it is
Okay.
opposite.
Okay. How do you turn an object into an array?
A object in an array. So we use new array, array dot from property.
Array dot from, yes.
Yes sir.
So there are multiple methods. If you can think of, array dot from is one. Okay. Is there any other you can think of?
New array sir.
New.
New, no 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 no, new array is not. uh, no sir, I'm not thinking
Okay,
that.
fine, fine. What is the use of JSON dot parse method?
Yes sir. It is also used for to convert a object in a string in object.
Function declaration and function expression. Can you tell me the difference between them?
Function expression is sir when we calling a function.
When we calling a function. So that is function calling, right?
Yes sir. Function declaration and other one sir.
Function expression.
Expression. Function expression. Declaration I know, and calling function expression.
Have you assigned a function to a variable?
Yes sir, it is
So
called function. Yes, yes, yes.
it is called function.
Function expression.
Okay.
When we use fat or fat arrow functions or function currying, etc.
Tell me function expressions or function declaration or arrow functions. They all are hosted, right?
Yes sir.
Are you sure?
Can you repeat sir?
What I said is function expression, arrow functions, function
Yes.
declarations all are hosted. Yes or no?
Functions are hosted sir. uh, Whereas function expression are also hosted if it use where keyword.
Function
And
expression are hosted.
yes sir, if it use where expression, but not, not sir, function expression are not hosted.
Hmm.
And fat arrow function also not hosted because we always use fat arrow function. If we use fat arrow function, then if we call it above the fat arrow function, it doesn't run.
Okay, okay,
So it can't be hosted. But simple function is always hosted,
okay,
because if we declare in 70-80 line of code and we use it 20-30, then we call it
okay,
all
okay, okay, fine. Tell me what will be the type of NN
number.
number. Okay, we'll move to HTML.
Okay sir.
Tell me what is the difference between link tag and anchor tag.
Sir, I not a link tag is used for to link a file like CSS styling file we link, and anchor tag is used to use a link in or HTML page on website.
Link tag is used to,
Link a file like CSS file or font or some.
okay. What are empty elements?
Sir, they also called void element, and they have not closing tag.
Okay. Any examples you can give?
Yes sir, BR tag, HR tag, image tag,
Okay.
meta tag also.
Cell padding and cell spacing. Can you tell me the difference between those two?
Sir, cell padding and cell spacing.
Yes.
Cell padding is used to sir, in table. Both are also used in table.
Yes, both are used in table.
Cell padding used to as a padding around or element in table, and cell padding and other ones are
Cell spacing.
cell spacing is used to gap us two separate column and row.
Okay. Can you tell me few HTML entities?
Entities
Yes.
like and ampersand
Yes.
lt
Yes.
ampersand gt
Yes.
ampersand copy
Okay. Okay.
am, ampersand trademark. Yes, right.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Tell me what's the difference between div tag and span tag?
Sir, div tag is a block level element, whereas span tag is a inline element.
Okay. Okay, we'll move to CSS. Can you tell me the types of CSS?
Types of css like,
Yeah.
sir, vanilla css,
No,
tailwind
no,
css.
not those CSS. I'm telling you types of CSS in the sense internal.
Yes, sir, internal, inline, external.
Okay. Which has the highest priority?
Inline.
Okay. Tell me CSS box model.
In css box model we have four properties like content, padding,
Hmm.
margin, and content, padding,
Margin.
and margin and border.
Are you sure? Margin first and
Sir,
then border?
border first, then margin.
Okay. Okay. What are pseudo classes in CSS?
Pseudo classes are like hover and
Like what
ho-
it generally does? First tell me that.
pseudo classes uh, like to change a state.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And we give a particular prefix.
Yes, sir. A selector like a link anchor tag a colon.
Colon. So you told me one hour, right? So
Yes, sir.
can you tell
Hover.
me other?
Link visited.
Okay. Okay, fine. Tell me how can we give a shadow effect to the text in CSS?
We use box shadow or drop shadow.
Drop shadow.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, tell me how can you hide the elements in CSS with the help of CSS?
Display none.
Display none. That is the only way.
We
Okay.
can we can also give a color which is a background color.
Tell me, do you know visibility hidden?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you
It
know it,
is
then
a.
can you tell me the difference between display none and visibility hidden?
Sir, I not use visibility hidden.
But you know it, right?
Yes, sir. I read it.
Okay, you have read it, then you should be knowing the difference between display none and visibility hidden.
Sir, I read it, but it not as much.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. Not an issue. Okay, yes, Malik, that's it for the interview. Okay,
Okay.
any queries, any concerns, you can ask me.